Hi guys, I'm out on pasture field today. I've been on here before, found plenty of tokens, lead tokens. I've had one hammered out of here. I had a Charles I, pretty bad condition, but I've had plenty of other silvers as well, silver milled, lots of copper. You know, it's always good to come back and have a look, see what I've missed. Anyway, the weather is pretty rubbish, so hopefully I'll get a go at it. But it might be cut short, so we'll see how we get on. Let's have a look, see what we got. It's quite a quiet target, so it could be deep. Definitely more clearer now. There it is. Not even sure. Oh, what's that? It's got a pattern on the back. Oh, look. Let's wait that a minute. Yeah, it's definitely got a pattern on the back to that. There's a hole there. That's some sort of possibly an old shoe buckle, I think. I don't know. Obviously, something went in there. It's a decorative piece, so okay. So get an idea on that one. That sounds like a good signal. Let's have a look. Oh god, this is coming apart. It's here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Right there. Penny? Nope. It's a farthing. Sticky, trying to see it. Can't see the date on that. Is that 1917? Can't tell. I'll give it a proper clean later. Sounds a bit deep. What was that exactly? Yeah. Right, come on. Oh, that was difficult considering how wet it's been. Let's go a bit deeper. maybe I just missed that one. Looking at it, might just be a bit over to the left of the hole there. Let's take this out. Right. Let's try that. Should have brought me a little dagger tool with me, but never mind. There it is. It's just in the side there. What we got? What is that? Not exactly sure what that is. It's made of bronze. Give that a quick wipe in there. I'll have a look. Well, give it a quick wipe over. Not really sure what it is. Whatever it was, it's broken off or something. So I don't know. Any ideas on that? Then feel free to let me know. Cheers. Okay, I think I've got two close signals here. So there's that there. I think that's something else there. I think by the sounds of it, it's shallow. Right, let's have a go at this one first. Right, let's see if I can get it with a probe. It's not quite shallow enough. There we go. So whatever that is. Oh, that looks like I think that's a bit of iron, a big bit of iron. I'll dig it out. Hopefully it's not the same piece of iron there. Yeah, just a big iron ring. Didn't think that was right. Right, let's just go over. Okay, well that one's still there, so it wasn't the same thing. Don't think he's too deep either by the sounds of it. To get like a double bleep on the dais when it's shallow. Right, it's in there. Hello. Can't even see it. Oh! I just saw a little glint of. Oh, look at that! Hold on. Hey. Oh, look at that. Nice. I do like it. I do like it when there's a bit of shiny in the clod. Right, give me 2 minutes while I just clean it up and see if I can find out what it is. Hang on. Right, okay, I've given it a bit of a clean. I couldn't go too mad with it because I didn't have anything here to clean it with any rags or anything. It's silver, I think, with a little white stone or whatever that is on there. There is a hallmark in there, just there you see that dirt. But I can't focus in on that at the moment. Well, I can't even clean it out either. So, but yeah, that's great. I do love finding silver and gold jewellery. Prefer gold, but you know, you don't get to pick what's in the ground. Yeah, that's great. I think the heavens are going to open up in a minute, so I'm going to take a bit of shelter by this lovely oak tree here. Yeah, I think I'll just detect round here, just in case that, because I can feel the rain coming down now actually. I'm going to stay here for a bit. Sounds pretty good. Have a look at that. This rain is. I'm under the oak tree at the moment. That rain is coming down. I can feel it coming through the tree. So it's not too bad here. Yeah, I've got my waterproofs on. Oh God, looking out. Right. What's that there? Nope. It was right there. Oh no, there it is. It's a button. It's the cover of the button. It's military. Oh, look at that. That is the horn. That's the crown horn. That's an old infantry button. Oh, nice. Yeah, that is a good one. That is absolutely hammering down now. I am sheltered where I am, but I'll give it 10 minutes, and if it ain't stopped, I'll knock it on the head.